Beginner bodyweight workout plan for busy people.
Struggling to fit exercise into your packed schedule? This simple bodyweight workout plan is designed specifically for beginners who want effective results without spending hours in the gym. Using just your body and a few minutes a day, you can build strength, boost energy, and improve overall fitness. No equipment or gym required.
Why bodyweight workouts work.
Bodyweight exercises use your own weight as resistance. They're accessible, cost-free, and can be performed virtually anywhere. For beginners, these exercises improve balance, flexibility, and strength while minimizing injury risk. Plus, the routines are easy to modify and scale, making them ideal for people with unpredictable or busy schedules.
The core routine quick and effective.
This plan focuses on full body movements. For each workout, perform the following: squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and jumping jacks. Start with 2 sets of 10 repetitions per exercise, except planks, which you can hold for 20 seconds. Rest for 1 minute between sets. This circuit should take no more than 15 minutes to complete.
Making it fit your busy life.
Consistency beats intensity when time is short. Aim for 3 sessions per week. Select times you can commit to, like first thing in the morning or after work. Split the session into shorter chunks if needed. Remember, even a few minutes are better than none. Over time, add reps or sets as you get stronger and more comfortable.
Tips for staying motivated.
Set realistic goals and track your progress. Celebrate small wins, like completing all sets or adding an extra repetition. Involve friends or family, or reward yourself with something positive after a workout. Remember, every bit of movement counts toward your health and well-being, even on your busiest days.